Let's take new exercise in SolidWorks model Mania 2026, and this is a January model. It is simple. There is only one trick how to make draft angle. You will see all the detail, dimensions, millimeter, material, plastic ABS, density, then symmetry in two directions. Symmetry in two directions. I will show you. Okay, 5-degree draft on walls, uniform wall thickness of 2 mm, 2 millimeter fillets in red. We have one top view, then there is a section view A. This is section view, this is side view. If you see outside to outside dimension 120, width 50 millimeter, but all around there is an angle. Okay, this is 63.5, this curve. Okay, if you see spherical curve 127 degree, this is important, and depth 25 millimeter. Now this is also symmetry position, and this is also symmetry position. In generally nobody writes, but okay. Now these wall also see 5 degree. If you see side view, these wall also 5 degree. Okay, let's see how to achieve this. First, front plane sketch, activate line tool, draw taper line, go back to the point. Okay, I want to draw, but simply exit and apply here 3-point arc. First point, second point, and third point plot anywhere here. Okay, activate center line, and let me draw one horizontal line. Why we need horizontal line? Because these curves should be tangent to this. Then we will get a perfect shape. Tangent. Okay. Let's define the dimensions. Okay. Let me choose this one, construction line. Distance from here to here. Keep outside arrow. It will show you diameter 127. 25. Sphere 127. Look, this is not taper, that's why. Now define angle 5 degree. Make this one 5 degree. Look, it is fully defined sketch. Simply go to feature, apply revolve boss base feature. I want to make a circular body. Due to this construction line profile is open profile. So do you want to close? Say yes. Now here you have to select axis of revolution. I'm going to select this one. By default angle 360. See? Say OK. Now I'm going to select the whole body in some color, yellow. Now see, this upper portion is spherical. Okay. Top plane, sketch, center rectangle. See, there is a wall, depth given 50 millimeter. Okay, even you don't need to define, but let's see, select outer edge and this edge tangent. It seems fully defined. Why we applied 5 millimeter thickness? Even though we can achieve with this method, but there is a gap. Extruded cut. Reverse direction, choose here through all. Here select flip side to cut. Look, the outside material we want to cut, and we need center one. But here I am going to apply angle 5 degree. Let's see. Choose here outward. Let me choose normal view. See, 5 millimeter goes inside. See, there is a patch which is not going to covered with this. That's why at the first stage we applied angle to this face. Say OK. Look, 5 degree we will achieve at all stages. Now let's make this hole. 2 4 diameter hole, 2 9 diameter hole. Wall thickness always 2 millimeter, but here angle 5 degree for 9 millimeter hole. And here see R2 radius to all red fillets. Okay. So let's see how we can do distance between two 63. Now, okay, let's select this face, sketch, activate circle. Let me connect this, escape, select the line, make it construction line. 4 millimeter, okay, 63 divided by 2, 31.5. Now go to feature, apply extruded cut, and here choose through all. Okay. Now I'm going to use the same plane, sketch, circle, diameter make sure 9. Now apply extruded cut, but here I want to make offset 2 millimeter. This is outside, make it inside. I want to keep here 2 millimeter thick wall, so keep offset 2 millimeter means the material going to remove above the 2 millimeter from the surface, and keep here through all, but angle, this is important, angle 5 degree outward. Say okay. Let's check one section view. Okay, look, these angles are outward. Right plane, mirror, select this cutout. Okay, feature to these two holes. Say okay. Now look the preview. Exit. Fine. Let's apply fillet. Fillet type constant, tangent propagation, symmetry, and radius only 2 millimeter. Select one edge, select the first option. All 4 edges selected. Now these upper edges also given, not face. Uncheck, delete. Select only edge, not face. Say okay. Look. I'm going to color red. Now let me go to shell 2 millimeter and select this face. If you want to see preview, show preview. Apply. Look. This is the result what we achieve. Right click and here plastic ABS PC. Now I'm going to apply select the body. Okay. See. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.